Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna talk about desires and wishes. What are your desires? What are your wishes? If you want to explain, if you want to just tell about your desires and wishes, I have a new word for you. It's a good phrasal verb for you. It means how you are feeling now, how you were feeling yesterday. What is the different way to talk about? So I have a phrasal verb for you to talk about your wishes and desires. Let's see. The phrasal verb is feel like. Feel like means I'm just talking about my wishes and desires. Let's say the rule first. The rule is that first of all I use subject, feel or feels like, we first plus ing and then object. Like if I just talk about an example, like I feel like singing songs, I'm talking about this time I'm feeling like I feel like singing songs. I feel like eating pizza. I'm really hungry but I don't want to eat food. I feel like eating pizza. Clear? It means I'm just talking about my feelings. If I just talk about a single one, like she feels like singing songs. So where I use feels will be used when I just talk about third person singular. Third person singular means like he, she, and a name, that is called third person singular. Here I am just following the rule of simple present tense. In simple present tense I use s or es with the verb in third person singular. The same I am using here. With third person singular I will use feels like. Like she feels like going outside today. Today she is feeling like, I can't remember one thing, that I can't say like she is feeling like going outside. So that is why I will use feel like to talk about my feelings. I feel like singing songs, she feels like singing songs, my brother feels like singing songs, my mother feels like cooking. So with the third person singular I use feels like. I can also prepare negative sentence with it. Like if I just want to tell that I don't want to do something, like I don't feel like going outside today, my mood is not good, I am not in good mood, so that is why I can say I don't feel like going outside. So in negative sentences, as I use don't and doesn't in simple present tense, same we will follow here. Like she doesn't feel like going outside. With the singular one, third person singular, I use does not. It becomes doesn't in negative sentences. And with I in plural, I use don't in negative sentences. Like I don't, you don't, we don't, she doesn't, he doesn't, Rahul doesn't feel like. I no need to put s here because if I use do, does and do not in my sentences, I always use feel like. Okay, let's have an example. I can also prepare with the combination like I feel like going outside but my brother doesn't feel like going outside. My mother feels like cooking but my sister never feels like cooking. I can also prepare interrogative sentences, how to ask questions with it. When I start with kya, like do you feel like singing songs? Do you feel like going outside? I want to know your feeling. Do you feel like staying home? Do you feel like going to the party? So keep learning, keep supporting. Thank you very much. Bye bye.